Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we'll be looking at your energies from 22nd till 28th of November. In this video I'll be looking all your present, past, future energies, along with that your what's going on in your head, what's going on in your heart, your person's energies towards you. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. All right. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see, Virgos, please. Virgos energies. Okay, Virgos energies. 22nd till 28th of November, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Virgos, what's going on with my Virgos? Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the King of Pentacles. Might be dealing with a Taurus, but it's your overall energies right now. Either you are asking for some stability in a relationship or in your life and you are working for it. Okay, so this is your whole stable situation at present, because you want good finances, you want stability in life. This is what you're going through. Strong stable energies, Virgos. What's going on in the present as well as what do you need to understand is the Hanged Man. So you are at a place where you are really not able to decide some situation. Okay, although you want stability, but it involves some decision making at present. So you need to understand that it's better to take some time to not to react into some situation, because you need to take a decision. What went wrong? What is the issue? Is the Queen of Cups. Could be a mother, could be a Cancerian you are dealing with, Cancer or Pisces. But this is definitely somebody whom you thought that this person loves you, or you love this person. This is definitely something in regards with love situation over here. We'll clarify. I see manipulation in your reading. I don't know, but I'm really getting strong vibe of somebody who is very good in talking and they are trying to manipulate you. Might be in your job, might be some in relation with some finances stuff. Could be a property situation you are not able to deal with because you do not know whether it's a good decision or not. So yeah, someone is trying to manipulate. It can be any of the situations you are dealing with. In your heart, it's the Five of Cups. I feel that you are really looking at the negatives at present, because you feel that nothing is left positive in your life and you're not able to see the positives, basically, because see, this person is just seeing the cups which have fallen, which are spilled. Okay, but there are two cups which are full over here, so he is not able to see. And I feel that there is something positive in your situation. Do not just look at the negatives. I know your decision could be really hard to make, any decision you are making, but this is something which you need to understand, that there is, if all the doors are closed at present, there is a window over there. Okay, so just look at the positives, look with a different perception. That is what is required. In the past we have Page of Cups. I feel that somebody might have triggered you to communicate to you. You might be dealing with a person over here who came towards you like a proposal or something, and they were like, I really love you, I really like you, kind of thing. But you, by the time traveled, it looks like they manipulated you. I feel that somebody tried to message you. There was a messaging, there was an offer from someone in the past, and now because of that decision making, because of that message which came and you let that thing in, so you are feeling that you are now in trouble. Okay, in the what's in your head is the Knight of Cups energy. So it feels like you're dealing with this person or the situation, like like the way they offered you, the way they gave proposal to you, you are thinking the same things of the past. Like what happened, like the analyzer, the Virgo, the analyzer. So you are analyzing all the past things, like what happened, then what next, then what next, and you are really in a thought process right now, I feel. So what's coming up in the future in regards with your present energies? So it's the Two of Wands. So I don't see you coming to any conclusion in the coming future, because you still will be analyzing, but we will clarify more about your future energies. Your actions, what are your actions? I feel with the Ten of Swords, if you are really cutting that person or that energy which is trying to manipulate you, or which is trying to harm your growth, which is trying to cut your growth at present, so you are just ending that thing with the person around you. The other person's feelings towards you is the Eight of Wands. That person is still contacting you, but I don't see you are wanting any contact from this person yet anymore. This can be vice versa also, okay? So just take as it resonates. But I really feel that you are not letting any communication happen because of your detective mind. You are feeling that something is fishy, something is not good. I am really not accepting the offer or accepting you at present, because you are not looking good to me, to my vibes, Universal message to you is the Fool energy. Universe is trying to actually tell you, there are some hints. See, I'm really able to see this dog right now. This dog is trying to tell this person that do not go, you might fall off the cliff. So I see loyalty as well, that somebody, is there someone who is actually trying to hold you? It can be the universe as well, but universe is wanting to tell you that do not go, do not climb off that cliff, okay? Do not enter into the situation, whatever you are in. The final outcome is the Sun energy. We are going to clarify about the Sun in a little while. Tell me about my Virgos, please. Tell me about the King of Pentacles for my Virgos. What's going on with my Virgos, please? Virgos, King of Pentacles. Overall energy for my Virgos. Temperance. Yeah, there's a need to settle down. There's a need to not to react in that situation. It could be a love situation. There could be a partnership also involved in this situation, but not to react, because this partnership or this decision making might not give you the desired results which you need. Okay. Tell me the Hanged Man energy right now. Death. Okay, so the death energy with the Hanged Man is telling us that the way you are perceiving things in a different manner will actually tell you that the real situation, because I told you that something is fishy, something is not right, and you will get that. You will get to know the real truth. Everything will come out and you will decide what to do, because things might not be so permanent over here. I see temporary energies with the situation. If this is a person you are involved with, in love situation also, this is definitely a temporary energy which is coming up for you, Virgos. Queen of Cups energy for my Virgos, please. Knight of Wands. Tell me more about the Knight of Wands. Cancer, Sagittarius energy is there. Yeah, somebody offered you help, and that help actually had some bad intentions behind. That helper actually had some bad intentions behind, and they were trying to be very nice, very sweet to you, but there were intentions, there were bad intentions, there were manipulations involved in the situation. You accepted that help before, but when you came to know that things happened in a wrong way, things didn't happen the way you wanted, or you fell in love with that person, but that person showed his or her that person showed his or her intentions or his or her real face. I see moon energy as well. His or her real intentions to you. At that time, things really came out to be, everything just came out. Yeah, okay, I got it. Let's see. Your heart told you something is wrong because you were because you were at a place where a lot of responsibilities, a lot of struggles you had to go through, a lot of heaviness was there, and you got to know because things were fine. I won't say that things were smooth before all these things happened. Things were like you were struggling before, but after this person, when this person came in your life, or when some kind of suggestions were given to you by someone else, you thought that it is going to be a help for me from this person, but it didn't come out to be any of the help. It came out to be ruining everything for you. Queen of Wands energy. I don't see positives right now. Tell me about the Page of Cups in the past for my Virgos. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah. That was actually required in the past to show patience rather than accepting that offer. It was like, you might have accepted the offer because of money, because of some other intentions, positive intentions though for you, but it was like, if I will not accept this thing, then what will happen? Then who will come in my life? If this was love decision, if it was finance decision, like, okay, I will earn more money, I will have this much of interest back, okay, I will have a good job, so anything, whatever this decision was there, it required a lot of patience and a strong and a correct decision making, which didn't go right in the past. Knight of Cups in the mind energies. What is going on in your mind? Ace of Cups. You want to go for something new, although you will have trust issues now, but still you are ready for something new because you do not think that this plan or this person or this thing is helping you anyway, because you do not trust this person or these people, whatever the situation is. You don't trust it anymore. Tell me about the Two of Wands in their future energies, which is affected by the present. Are you going the right way? Queen of Wands again. I still feel Five of Swords. I still feel that there is some loss which you might go through if you will go on taking a decision. The universe is telling you to take a pause, okay? Try to perceive things in a different way, in a different direction, because that is what you need. You need a different direction. That is not a thing to go for, which you are thinking at present. Ten of Swords. Your actions. Two of Swords. Ten of Swords with the Two of Swords. You know that this thing will harm you, but still you are at a place of making a decision. You know that this thing will not give you any results, but still you are still at a point, whether to say yes or a no. You are still at that, and this person or this thing is really communicating you again and again, like trying to manipulate you. You should go with this, you should go with that, and you are getting manipulated. But again, after that night, after the day ends, you start to feel like, whether am I doing good or am I doing wrong? If this kind of a doubt comes up, it's always a no. Actually, it's a hint from the universe that the answer is no, because you are having doubts. Might be having doubts for love, might be having doubts for a job opportunity, for money investments. But if the doubt is coming, the answer is no, always. Eight of Wands from that person's energies towards you. King of Cups. See, they are being very, very nice to you. It's like sugar-coated stuff. But I see the real cat behind this good person. Universal message to you is the Fool energy. Ten of Pentacles. Universe is telling you that stop going and looking forward, or traveling here and there, or just entering without thinking to new things. You have something already. Just open your eyes and look around yourself. You have something stable, you have something happily there, they're standing or waiting for you, but you are not able to see, I feel, because you are looking at some other direction at present. the sun energy, everything has come out, or everything is coming out to be in front of your eyes. The truth will be revealed, or it has already been revealed for some of you. So just stay focused and stay there, because whatever you need, see, the first card was this, and again the King of Pentacles is here. So you needed stability, you will get it, but not by other means. Just be true to yourself, find true people, okay? Because the one who is being very, very sweet to you is actually the main culprit, the betrayal person, okay, who might deceive you. So you have to take your actions accordingly. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.